Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Hello, my little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we have a super exciting project in store for you. We're going to learn how to create a beautiful rainbow heart art and bring it to life with some vibrant colors. Are you ready? Great! Let's jump right in. Alright, first things first, we need to draw our hearts. Get your pencils ready. There you go, 3 hearts, just like that. But don't worry if yours don't look exactly like mine. It's all about having fun and being creative. Now, grab your black marker. We're going to trace over our pencil hearts. Remember, it's important to take your time and do your best to make them look nice and neat. Awesome job, everyone! Our hearts are looking fantastic. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Do you know what colors we need for a rainbow? We need 7 of them. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple. Beautiful, right? We're going to create our rainbow hearts, one color at a time. We'll start with this one. The colors of the rainbow move slowly towards the center in a heart shape. Watch as our heart gets more colorful with each layer. Ta-da! Look at that! Our first rainbow heart is complete, and it's looking absolutely magical. Now, let's move on to the second heart. Here, we'll draw the colors in a straight line, but diagonally. We'll start with red again. Now, let's add the other rainbow colors, just like before. Wow, it's already looking so cool! going, and remember to have fun with your colors. Finally, it's time to color the third heart. This time, we're going to fill it with wavy rainbow colors. Start from the top of the heart with red and gradually add the other colors. And there you have it, my little artists, 3 beautiful rainbow hearts. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Don't forget to share your colorful creations with us. We'd love to see how your rainbow hearts turned out. Keep practicing and exploring your creativity. Until next time, happy drawing and coloring. Thanks for joining us here at Toddlers Art Hub. Remember, art is all about having fun and expressing yourself. So, keep those creative juices flowing. Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.